of the month must get deleted.
Well, you can promote your new cause and the goes and follow the trail to Old Town. When we transform Old Town into Old Town Gun Country. The spotlight's on show quality American-made pickup trucks on Sunday nights. If you've got a truck you're proud of, Old Town is the place to be Sunday nights.
Smell. That one sounds mint.
All right, so now I'm getting a good look. Here comes Carolyn, our Old Town security officers. They're coming up block 2 right now, heading towards block 1. On their heels is our August cruiser in the mud. Billy Scarborough from Dundee. He's driving a 1971 Pontiac T37. It's pepper green, that's an original color. It has air, a 350 engine, 350 transmission, Traeger SS wheels. And he found the car actually online, test drove it, and knew he had to have it. Bought that car, he loves fixing them up, and he loves cruising his car as well. He's been cruising here in Old Town over 17 years. This is our August cruiser of the month. Congratulations, Billy, and the next cruiser of the month will be T37. Lots of cars heading your way. Almost just one car shy of 100 cars on our first streets this evening. We've chatted about Sunday night, and it was truck night here in Old Town. So if you have a truck that you're proud of, Old Town is the place to be. You can make your plans to be here on Sunday evening. Registration for trucks free. We also have line dance lessons absolutely free, and our live band on stage free. Registration free every Sunday night for catering specials from 5 to 7 o'clock. You can just help the crowd with that week. Join us for Old Town. Well, just saw Bert and Laverne go by in their 66 Mercury wagon Voyager, and in the back seat was Mitchell. I'll send a hey out to Mitchell. Lots of great cars tonight. And the red stop, so the convertible.
That's one of my favourites, that. Awesome, yeah.
Sending a special thanks out to the Red Line Routers. Want John and RJ and Dawn out there.
This is Becky's favourite.
Producers with our Red Line Routers. They've been here for so many years. I've been listening to them since the beginning. I know they've been here for a long time.
That's in 1200 for you Gran Turismo freaks.
Thank you, Red Line Routers.
Oh, wow.
Neon for all you Max Power freaks.
Alright, so we talked about Sunday night being truck night and country night. Well, Thursday night is bike night. Rumbling engines, chrome, leather, yes, bikes are featured on the street, and yes, the bikes
Nova SS.
out to you here. Thursday night in Old Town featuring a great band.
This is why I'd like to go to my funeral in one of these, please.
Thursday night, we'll also be looking for you. Bike night at Old Town.
It's the rat bastard. Rebecca Racer. This is how they used to do it in the old days. Listen to that. For all you scene freaks, a Beetle.
Is an amazing car that is racing with a black and white checker flag outside the window. You might be wondering about the black and white checker flag. Well, fill you in on the details.
It's a shame we don't have smell-o-vision because the smell is awesome.
Lots of beautiful cars on the red brick streets this evening. You always see as well.
Some serious lows.
Well, there goes Bond in that red thunder.
Another beetle for you scene freaks. Get your vag on.
Red Brick Street to Old Town.
Cab stang. And here comes my absolute favourite car of the show, Camaro SS.
Ride, and let's take it to Old Town for the Saturday night cruise. Well, there's checkered flags waving outside the windows of a few of these cars that are cruising tonight. All registered cars are eligible to win, and winners are selected at random. Saturday nights, we award 8 checkered flags.
This is also awesome.
Congratulations to those 8 folks. Starting off with Bob Baruch, driving a 1971 black Chevy Camaro. Welcome back to Pleasant, Bob. Our next cruiser is
This thing is loud. My phone doesn't do it justice.
also Ronald McElroy driving a 1961 white Chevy Impala. Larry Pickens in a 1963 white Chevy Impala as well. Boy, popular cars out here this evening. Paul Altman is in a 1968 green Mustang and Raphael Moore driving a 1969 green Chevy Beetle.
Oh, it's sick.
David DeLive is driving a 1963
Beep beep.
Michael Morris in a 1959 blue Dodge Ranger. Classic cars on the streets looking down at a beautiful street rod right now. All chromed out, the engine compartment cruising on to block 1, looking great. Tonight's checkered flag winners receive a checkered flag with $5 in cash and a complimentary steak from the Southern Breeze. Total of 99 cars cruising this evening on the bricks.
That's a lot.
Let's take a moment to say thanks to our merchant sponsors here at Old Town. We couldn't do it without them.
Oh, your absolute favourites coming.
Pizza. Also right beside them is Cold.
Wow.
Have a better appetizer and a full dinner there. You can have a steak and you have
Another one for you scene freaks.
Stephen and Amanda heading down the streets right now. Classic Chevy. Also on Tuesday, the Old Town Coffee and Tobacco Works, Louding Around, the Southern Breeze, and Sweet Tunes Ice Cream. Here's one of our favorite cruising songs. It is scored by Robin Ward for the Saturday night cruise at Old Town.
Oh, yes. Put me on Firebird. That's not even, it doesn't fit in my phone, it's that big, that one.
George Canal now heading on to block 1 in a 1956 Oldsmobile Green and is waving the American flag this evening. Beautiful teal street rod right now heading on to block 1. Behind it, a copper colored street rod. Boy, beautiful cars here on the streets this evening at Old Town.
Oh, it's Herbie! Herbie! That's class. Another one for you scene freaks.
And a 58 Chevrolet as well. Lots of classic Chevys out here tonight.
Random.
5 Chevrolets. We've got the Mustangs on this evening. We have the Camaros.
Heavily customised Beetle.
Some Novas.
Matt Gray. And another one.
Force as well.
Sick Corvette Stingray.
Beautiful green Mopar right now heading on
Look at that.
to 1. And then we always love our VW.
Charger.
VW right now. Cruising on to block 1 as well.
Awesome, them things. That's it.
Say thank you to the folks with the Old Town Bull, another one of our
Take note, North East Modern Motors. That's how you do a cruise.
320.
Good night.